So today we will see external references in AutoCAD. External references. The simple meaning of external references like drawing file, PDF file, image file, etc. Attached references. External references are links to the model space of a specified drawing file. Changes made to the reference drawings are automatically in the current drawing when the external references is reloaded. The attached external references do not significantly increase the size of your current drawing. To attach an external reference, follow these steps. Click on Attach command in the References panel in the Insert tab. One dialog box will open there. You can attach an external DWG file, image, PDF, etc. from here as an external reference. Proper method: X reference. To X reference in AutoCAD, type X reference in the um, xref in the command bar and press the enter key. One dialog box, then right click in the blank space in the dialog box or click on the attach drop down. It will show some attached options. Select DWG, PDF or image as per your requirement. Select your file and attach it. Edit reference. If you want to unload or reload the external reference, then write on the file name in the external reference dialog box. If you want to attach xref, then click on the reference drop down in the insert tab and click on the reference or type ref and press the enter key. Now you can edit the drawing. After type refclosc in the command bar and press the enter key and select the save option. It's done. How do you make xref in AutoCAD? To make an xref in AutoCAD, follow the first first of all at the command prompt and press enter AMAUTODETAIL. After that, in the assembly drawing detailing dialog box, please select selection by objects. Then specify the file name for the xref and the path of the folder where you want to save the file. After the select create with fixed scale option and then specify a scale. Please specify title block. Specify the file name for the component and the path of the folder where you want to save this file. Press OK. Specify an insertion point. Select the objects you want to include in your xref and component drawing and press enter key. Select objects from other blocks you want to include in your xref and component drawing. Click enter. In the edit attribute box, make the necessary entries. Okay, now we will see the reference. See, first go insert this reference panel. Go in this arrow. From here you can attach drawing, go or images or PDF. Now if I want to attach a drawing, I can attach it. Like I can take this drawing, open, OK, and specify the insertion point. Then third enter. So this is the drawing which I have externally external reference. Now if I want to edit drawing, double click on the drawing and go in select the file name, select OK. Now if I want to edit, I can edit it. Dimension, radius, 63.5 is the radius of this circle. Now I have I have made little changes in it. Now I want to save it. Don't go in this save as option. Go in edit reference, save change, and save. Okay. Or less. Now type name. So I have typed the name and save. Now if I want to close it, now open files, and this is the file which I want. This is the changes which I have done in Excel. This is how I can edit it. Thank